Good morning, my dear students and my dear friends. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And today we will understand about the division and multiplication relation. That means what? We are studying about the relationship between the multiplication and division. ठीक है? We had already learned about that in multiplication. Yes, we learn now the factors, the product, and I already sent a one video in the YouTube channel. ठीक है? So today what we will understand? Today we will understand something more about the multiplication and division. ठीक है? This is a video number 2. ठीक है, ये दूसरा पार्ट है. द फर्स्ट पार्ट अगर आप लोग नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज चेक आउट दैट वीडियो. देयर लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. लिंक जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है और ग्रुप में भी है. ठीक है, पहले आप वो वीडियो देख लीजिए, देन कम टू दिस पॉइंट. ओके, सो यस्टरडे दैट मीन्स इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो जो मैंने कल भेजा था उसमें हम लोगों ने क्या समझा था? वी अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द ईच मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्ट हैव द टू डिविजन फैक्ट, है ना. हम लोगों ने देखा था कि मल्टीप्लीकेशन जो भी, सॉरी, if there is a one multiplication sentence, that means there is a two number. When you are multiplying the two number, you will get the product. Yes, जब आप दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो क्या मिलता है? प्रोडक्ट. जस्ट लाइक एकदम इमेजिन करो, टू एक नंबर है और एक दूसरा थ्री है. 2 and 3. When you will multiply the 2 and 3, you will get 6. Yes, 3 2 is 6. So 6 is what? 6 is the product of 2 and 3. 6 जो है वो 2 और 3 का क्या है? प्रोडक्ट है. एंड दिस टू नंबर्स, विच नंबर्स दैट यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग, 2 और 3 को क्या कर रहे हो? मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो टू गेट 6. सो दिस टू नंबर्स आर द फैक्टर्स. ओके, सो यस्टरडे दैट मीन्स इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी लर्न व्हेन यू विल डिवाइड द प्रोडक्ट बाय वन ऑफ द फैक्टर. अगर आपने 6 को 3 से डिवाइड किया तो आंसर 2 आएगा. ठीक है, और अगर आपने 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 3 आएगा. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? इफ यू आर डिवाइडिंग द प्रोडक्ट बाय वन ऑफ द फैक्टर, द क्वोशिएंट you will get the another number as a quotient. दूसरा फैक्टर आपको क्वोशिएंट में मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, so it is a about the division. ठीक है, so each division have the, sorry, each multiplication have the two division fact. ठीक है, डिवीजन आज हम लोग अब पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, each multiplication fact have the two division fact. हो सकता है मल्टीप्लीकेशन में आ जाए. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल है. each multiplication fact have the two division fact. ठीक है, सो ये जो चीज है हम लोगों ने पहले वाले वीडियो में पढ़ा था. नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द डिवीजन. सो नाउ ईच डिवीजन फैक्ट, अब डिवीजन है, डिवीजन फैक्ट हैव ओनली वन मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. बहुत सिंपल है. लुक द पेज नंबर 89 and 90. ऑन द पेज नंबर 89 देयर इज अ, यस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट से आपको क्या करना है? दो डिवीजन फैक्ट फाइंड आउट करने हैं. एंड ऑन द पेज नंबर 90, क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, this one. Okay, each division have only one multiplication fact. ध्यान से समझ लो. Multiplication fact have two division fact and the division fact have only one multiplication fact. Let us see how to find out. Okay, so as you can see on your blackboard, that means whiteboard, ठीक है, each division fact have only one multiplication fact. ठीक है, like this is a what? If you are dividing the 36 by 12, you will get 3 because 36 is the dividend, 12 is the divisor. When you will divide the 36 by 12, जब आप 12 से 36 को करोगे divide, so we have to speak the multiplication table of 12 up to till 36. Okay, so 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24 and 12 threes are is 36. 12 threes are 36. Understood everyone? So when you will divide the 36 by 12, you will get 3 as a quotient. है ना? This bigger number that you are dividing is called as dividend. The number by which you are dividing, by dividing बोला मैंने, ठीक है, by dividing, that is a divisor. And the answer of the division is called quotient. क्या बोलते हैं? Quotient. हाँ, quotient. ठीक है. So 12 is the divisor, 36 is the dividend, and 3 is the quotient. ठीक है, सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द टू नंबर्स. इन दोनों में से कोई दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर यू विल गेट द अनदर नंबर. सिंपल है. ठीक है, दिस इज अ डिवीजन एंड दिस डिवीजन हैव ओनली वन मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. ठीक है, सो लिसन केयरफुली. व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू नंबर्स, लुक फ्रंट, डोंट राइट, लिखो मत. ठीक है, ठीक है, लुक हियर, आई एम राइटिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट नाउ. 3 12s are or 12 threes are. Yes, in the multiplication we learn. In the multiplication, what we will learn? We learn we can change the order of the number, है ना? We can change the order of number. Product will remain same. हमेशा हमारा product same ही रहेगा. ठीक है? So 12 threes are or 3 12s are is 36. 12 threes are 36. 3 12s are is also 36. Okay. So 3 12s are 36. So we can multiply these two number to get the 36. तो मैं यहाँ लिखूंगा 3 and 12. 3 12s are या फिर 12 3s are is equal to 36. This is a multiplication fact. ठीक है? Similarly, we will move towards the second question, and that is also interesting. Look here, huh? Question number 2. That is 51 divided by 3. That is equal to 17. That means when you will divide the 51 by 3, जब आप 51 को divide करोगे 3 से, you will get the 17 as a quotient. Okay, simple है, बहुत simple है. देखो divide करके देखते हैं 17 आता भी है क्या नहीं. Okay, so it is 51. So 51 is the dividend. Yes, the number that you are dividing, that you are creating, that you are distributing in the parts, that is called as dividend. Okay, so 51 is the dividend. And the number by which you are dividing, जिससे divide कर रहे हो, that is called as divisor. So 3 is the divisor. बोलो 3 is the divisor. And 17 is the answer of division. That means it is the क्या नाम है इसका? Quotient. Okay, so 17 is the quotient. 3 is the divisor, and that is the dividend. Dividend. Okay. So we will write the 51 inside here, 51 under, and the 3 will be outside. Now we have to divide the 51 by 3. Let us check the 17 is came or not. देखते हैं 17 आता भी है या फिर नहीं. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We cannot write 6 because the 6 is greater than 5. ज्यादा हो जाएगा, माइनस ही नहीं होगा. हाँ, तो हम लोग छोटा वाला लिखेंगे. 3 1s are is 3, है ना? अभी पढ़ा था ना हमने. So, अच्छा, okay, 3 1s are 3. Very good. Now, 5 minus 3 will be 2. Now, the next number 1 will come downside. I'm just checking. We will solve such type of question. हम लोग ऐसे question solve करेंगे इसके बाद में. Don't worry. Okay. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल है. 17 3s are 51 आता है. 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 3s are is 51. That is answer is correct. Okay, now 3 7s are is 21, 0 0, remainder is 0. देखो आंसर 17 आ गया. Don't worry, I will tell such type of division later. ठीक है, इसके बाद हम लोग बड़े बड़े डिवीजन करेंगे, बड़े बड़े मजा आएगा. ठीक है, so here answer is 17 is correct है. So here what we have to do? We have to find the multiplication fact from the division. ये जो है हमारे पास, ये तो division है ना? When you will divide the 51 by 3, when we will divide the 51 by 3, we will get 17. Yes. So देखो अभी यहाँ पे 17 3s are 51. इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होता है इक्वल टू 51. Yes, so we can multiply these two numbers 51 and 3. Okay, so here we will write 17 3s are 51. 17 3s are 51. Simple. Similarly, in the question number 3, 56 divided by 14 is equal to 4. That means when you will divide the 56 by 14, that means 56 is what? 56 is the dividend and 14 is the, कहाँ के मेरा हाथ था? 14 is the divisor and the answer of division is called quotient. So 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42, 14 4s are कितना होता है? Everyone, you have to learn the table up to 20. Okay, so 14 4s are is 56. Yes, that means the product of these two number is this number. देखो, the product of these two number is this number. Product of this two number is this number. That means इन दोनों को करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई तो ये मिल जाएगा. अरे वाह, कितनी अच्छी बात है. So we will write here 4 into 14 या फिर 14 into 4. 14 into 4 is equal to 56. Don't worry, we can change the order of 4 and 14. 4 को 14 से मल्टीप्लाई करो या फिर 4 को 14. Listen here, you can multiply the 14 by 4 or 4 by 14. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s is also 6. उल्टा करो चाहे सीधा करो. That means we can change the order of number in multiplication. So there is not any problem. We can write. अगर आप लोगों ने इसको इधर और इसको इधर लिख दिया, if you are changing the order, there is no problem. Answer is correct. Okay. Wow. Let's move towards the fourth question. And these questions are available on page number 90. ठीक है, ये page number 90 में है. So let's move towards the fourth one. Now you tell me what should I write? आवाज नहीं है, जोर से बोलो. हाँ, 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. Okay, so we have to find the two numbers. इन दोनों में से किसी दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लीकेशन, the multiplication of either two number is another one. ठीक है, so 8 6 are 48. Simple. So 6 8s are 48. 6 8 48. Simple. Let's move toward the fifth one. 8 7s are 56. 7 8s are 56. So when you will multiply the 7 and 8, you will get 56. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. You can write the 7 here or 8 here, या फिर 8 इधर लिखे उधर 7 इधर लिखे. If you are writing the numbers like this, if you are changing the position of number, then also it is correct. अगर किसी ने, that means if you have already written 8 into 7 is equal to 56, that is also correct. Don't worry, दोनों के दोनों सही है. ठीक है, दोनों सही है. ठीक है. And rest of the question 6 7 8 9 जो भी बचे हैं, that you have to solve. That is your homework. Okay, 5 questions I told you. So rest of the question, और इसी क्वेश्चन नंबर बी में और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है, वो आपको सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू सेंड टू मी ऑल्सो. ठीक है. सो लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. इट इज ऑल्सो पेज नंबर 90. वो भी जो है वो पेज नंबर 90 में है. ठीक है. सो लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. एंड व्हाट द क्वेश्चन नंबर सी इज सेइंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू रीड. फास्ट हो रहा है क्या? ओके. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर सी? क्वेश्चन नंबर सी इज सेइंग, जस्ट वेट अ मिनट. हाँ, okay everyone, so now the question number C. Compare and put the symbol like this. We have learned that yes, this is a symbol of greater than, this is a symbol of smaller than. ध्यान से देखना. ठीक है, जो आपका ये symbol है, this point, the sharp point should be towards the smaller number. ठीक है, ये जो point है वो smaller number के तरफ रहना चाहिए. ठीक है. So now let's see how to put these symbols. This is a greater than, this is the smaller than, and that is the equal to. If both the numbers are equal, then we will put the equal sign. Okay. So अब यहाँ तो equal number है ही नहीं. There is the operation. What operation? हाँ, बताता हूँ operation क्या होता है. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. These are mathematical operators या फिर mathematical operations भी बोलते हैं इसको. ठीक है. So here is a multiplication. बहुत सिंपल है. देखो, 2 4s are 8. Write down here a small 8. 2 4s is 8. And there is a division towards the other side. That is 72 divided by 8. That means the 72 is the dividend. 8 is the divisor, the number which is bigger, and that you are dividing, that is called as dividend. Bigger number is dividend, but just 72, and the smaller number, छोटा number, by which you are dividing the bigger number. बड़े number को छोटे number से divide कर रहे हो. So that smaller number is called what? Divisor. Okay, that is your divisor. Okay, so 72 divided by 8, what will come? We have to split the table of 8 up to till 72. 8 1 जा 8 2 जा 16 8 2 जा 24 8 4 जा 32 8 5 जा 40 8 6 जा 48 8 7 जा 56 8 8 जा 64 8 9 जा आ गया 8 9 जा 72. That means the value of this 2 into 4 is value 7 4 into 8 का कितना sorry 2 into 4 का कितना वैल्यू आया 8. And similarly 72 divided by 8 the answer is 9. Now compare which is greater. कौन सा बड़ा है 8 and 9 is there. So obviously we know that this 9 is greater. So we will write this symbol inside this box. चलो लिख देते हैं like this. It is done. Okay, let's move toward the third problem. Listen. That is not a second question, that is the third one. Second question that you have to solve. Okay, दूसरा वाला आप करो. Now look here, it is 5 into 0 and we know that when you will multiply the number by 0 you will get 0. So ये हो गया 0. Okay, that is 0. Now next one, that is 64 divided by 8, which is on another side of the box. So we have to speak the table of 8 up to till 64. तो 8 के टेबल में 64 कब आता है 8 8 जा 64. यहां पर आएगा 8. So now here as you can see the value of 5 into 0 is 0 and this is 8. इधर है 0, there is 8. So which is greater? Obviously it is greater than 0. Again we will put this type of sign. Point should be towards the smaller number. वो नोक रहते ना नोक, that should be towards the smaller number. Okay, very good. Now let's move towards the sixth question. Fifth is your homework. That means third and fourth. Sorry, fourth and fifth is your homework. ठीक है, I am taking first one, third one and sixth one. ठीक है, इनके बीच के जो भी है that your homework. Okay. Okay, so now let's move towards the long question. That is the 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7. Okay, and 49 divided by 7 is, again let's see it is visible in camera or not. Yes, it is visible. क्या बात है, दिख रहा है. So 49 divided by 7 is, we have to speak the table of 7 up to till 49. Listen students, जो बड़ा नंबर है जिसको आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो that is called as dividend, and the number by which you are dividing that is called as divisor. We learned that yes, जो बड़ा नंबर होता है जिसको आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो that is called as dividend, और जिस नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हो that is called as divisor, which is very simple. The number that you are dividing into the parts that is your dividend, and the number by which you are dividing which is a smaller one that is called as divisor. Okay, so 49 हमारा dividend है, 7 is the divisor, so we have to divide the 49 in the group of 7 7 7 7 7. That means we have to subtract the 7 repeatedly. क्या था ना 49 minus 7, then you will get the answer. Again minus 7, then you will get the answer. Again minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7. Why it is minus 7? Because we know that division is a repeated subtraction. So 7 के ग्रुप में 49. 7 1 जा 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28, 7 5 जा 35, 7 6 जा 42, 7 7 जा 49. आ गया. So here will be also 7. So now both the values, अगर आप 7 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो 1 से तो भी 7 आ गया. Okay, and if you are dividing the 49 by 7, again you are getting 7. That means what? दोनों के दोनों इक्वल है, तो लगाएंगे इक्वल टू का साइन. क्या बात है? So that is equal to. Okay, I hope you understand this topic. ठीक है, question number B and question number C. That means the exercise light is goal. It's okay. So exercise 5.5 you have to complete up to till question number C. Question A जो है वो पहले वाले वीडियो में है. Question number B and question number C I told right now. अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बताया. ठीक है. So you have to complete the exercise 5.5 up to till C. Question number C तक ही करो. Question number D I will tell. Don't worry. Okay. So have a good day and bye bye. Take care. If you want to write, you can write. Okay, only 1 minute I'm giving to you for clicking a screenshot.